In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to delete system data or system storage on iPhone. To delete your system storage on iPhone, I'm going to be showing you 4 steps you can take to do this very easily, and these are effective. We have the normal system data size is we have the 5 GB to the 10 GB. That is a normal data size. Then from the 10 GB to the 20 GB, that is slightly high data size. And when you are having from 20 GB upward, that means your phone needs clearing. So guys, so let me show you now how you can actually clear your system data on your iPhone. Like the first method I want to show you, this method frees the most space, and this is the backup plus the from the reset. So how do you actually do this? The first thing you have to do, you have to back up your phone. How do you back up your phone? I want you to go to the settings. So once you get to the settings, I want you to tap on general. So once you tap on general, I want you to scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. So once you tap on transfer or reset iPhone, I want you to tap on erase all content and settings. So let's tap on that. So once you tap on erase all content and data, please, I want to say this before you tap on this, make sure you back up your iPhone to your computer or to your iCloud. Before you tap on these settings, before you erase all these settings, I want you to firstly back up your data to your iCloud or to your computer. So once you are sure you have already backed up your details or your data to your iCloud or your computer, then you can come here and do this thing I'm about to show you. Then you just want to tap on continue, and your iPhone will be erased successfully. So what you just have to do once you erase this, you just have to go to your backup or restore your data back to your phone. This first method will give you reduce your system data from 5 GB to 10 GB. So that's the first one. So let me show you the second thing you can do. So let's just go back. So the second thing you can do to free up space or to delete your system data or system storage on an iPhone is by deleting and reinstalling every apps. So what do I mean by this? Is by, you have some heavy apps on your phone that contains a lot of caches and a lot of storage. So you just want to delete these apps and you restore them back, and some system data will be cleared. So how do you delete apps from your phone? To delete apps from your phone, I want you to go to the settings. We are in the settings. I want you to tap on general. Once you tap on general, I want you to tap on iPhone storage. So let's tap on that. So once you tap on iPhone storage, I want you to look for the app you can delete. You just want to scroll down, look for heavy apps that okay, this app is too heavy. Just look for the app. Once you get the app, just tap on the app. So once you tap on this app, it's very simple to actually do. So once you tap on this app, if you tap on this app, it will show you this thing. As you can see on here, it says delete app. You just want to tap on delete, and once you delete this app, the data will be cleared off from your iPhone. What you just have to do is this: just want to go to your app store and restore this app back to your phone. So by doing this, you've already cleared off some system data on your iPhone. So that is the second thing you can do. So the third thing you can do, so let's go back on here. Let's go back to our settings. So the third thing you can do here is by offloading unused apps. You have some apps on your iPhone that you're not actually using. So what you can do to them is by offloading them. You're not actually deleting them. You're just making them stopping them from using too much of your data. So how do you offload unused apps on your iPhone? So if you have too many apps that you're not using, this is how to offload them so that they can give more room for storage on your iPhone. So how do you do this? The first thing you want to do, you want to make sure you are in your settings. Then from there, you want to tap on general. So once you tap on general, I want you to tap on iPhone storage again. So once you tap on iPhone storage again, I want you to look for the app you want to offload. Let's say I want to offload this TikTok. I'll just tap on that. So once you tap on TikTok, it's going to take you to this page. On this page, if you look very well, you're going to see where it says offload app. Just want to tap on that offload app, and this app will be offloaded from your device. It won't be deleted, but it will just be offloaded. This means this will free up storage unused by this app, but it will keep your document and data. So you just have to reinstall it whenever you need it. So this is another way you can delete and delete unused apps on your phone to give more room for your storage on your iPhone. So let me show you another thing that you can do on here. You just want to go back to your settings. So once you're in your settings, I want you to clear off your Safari cache. So how do you clear off your Safari cache? You just want to make sure you're in your settings. So what I want you to do on here, I want you to scroll down and you're going to see where we have apps. So I want you to tap on that apps. So once you tap on that apps, I want you to scroll down and look for where we have Safari. Just scroll down to where we have Safari. So I want you to tap on this Safari. We have it here. Tap on it. So once you tap on this Safari, what I want you to do here, I want you to clear the history and website data on this Safari. So how do you do that? You just want to scroll, come down to, you can see we have clear history and website data. Just want to tap on that. So once you tap on that, it will ask you, do you want to delete all history? Make sure you select all history and tap on clear history at the bottom. So guys, this is how you can actually clear off storage on your you can actually delete the system data on your iPhone. So guys, I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.